Hello students, today we are going to learn the image formation by the pinhole camera. Here I took a large diametered pipe and covered with a black sheet, and it had a small hole, and somewhat less diameter pipe made with the paper and covered with the translucent paper. Now I am going to insert this small diametered pipe into it, large diametered pipe. Now the arrangement of pinhole camera looks like this. Now see how the image formed inside the pinhole camera. So through the small hole, the light passing and falling on the translucent paper. See, to get a clarity about that, I just arranged the darkness inside the pipe. So it is the image which you seen is a inverted image of the window which is near to the lab what I have. See the window image, you can see clearly. You can observe that slanting grills. The image you are seeing inside the pinhole camera is inverted. You can observe the grills clearly. The image which is inverted on the screen. The characteristics of image by the pinhole camera is real and inverted. So with this we can get a clarity about the construction of the camera. That's why this instrument is called as pinhole camera. So you can observe that inversion of the image clearly on the screen through the light which is passing through this straight line. So this is known as the